Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the LEVOIT Eleva 300 Air Purifier. We're going to open it up, show you what it looks like, test it out, and of course let you know whether or not it's worth buying. Alright, so when you get the box open, you'll find your instruction manual on top. Main piece here. Somewhere around here we're going to have just twist to get this open, and seems to be stuck. There we go. Anyway, so there is a power cable in that middle section, which is why it's important to get that out. From there, you'll have two pieces to this. One goes into the other, and that'll kind of just be right on top, as you can see. And then you will need to have this off. I'm not sure why they put stickers there, but I guess they want to authenticate the filter. And then you're just going to kind of twist this in. And then there is a way to unlock this filter, which I did not press originally. And that'll just kind of push the button and allow you to do that. So we'll get it twisted in, locked into place. There's also a little instruction manual on the front. So we'll go ahead and plug it in. Power is going to be right back in here. Simple plug button, and then you'll pump this right into the into your wall outlet. So we'll go ahead, run this for a little bit, and take it from there. As you can see, I'm replacing an older model with this one, and you'll have power button, and you'll have some flexibility here. You'll have a nighttime mode, different fan speeds, depending on what you're looking to do, levels of cleanliness for air quality. I'm just going to kind of let it go auto, and as you can tell, there's a way to kind of turn the light off. You have your night mode as well. So to me, these things are awesome. I'm just going to kind of let this light go off on its own, and you'll see that it kind of changes colors depending on what kind of level it's on and everything. So these things are definitely awesome, definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review has helped you. Thanks for watching.